Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. And today let's talk about a very important question. Why should you learn web development? Before we start learning about web development, let me tell you a short story and I hope it inspires you. A few years ago, there was a student just like you, no coding background, no tech degree, and no ideas where to start. But one day, he searched on YouTube, found some tutorials, and started learning HTML and CSS. That one small project changed everything. He built more websites, made projects, and started freelancing. And today, that student works as a front-end developer and teaches others how to code. You might be thinking, who is that guy? Yes, that was me. If I can do it with just a laptop and internet, so you can also. So let's start why web development matters. Web development is the foundation of everything you can see on the internet, from personal blogs to giant platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Instagram, and Netflix. Everything is built using web development. Let me give you a simple example. About 10 or 15 years ago, if you wanted to book a flight ticket, you had to go to the airport, stand in a queue, and wait just to book a ticket. But today, because of web development, you can simply open a website, click a few buttons, and book your tickets, all in just a couple of minutes from your phone or laptop. This is the power of web development. It was made life easier, faster, and more connected. By learning web development, you can make your own websites like blogs, portfolios, or business pages. Build simple web apps like to-do list or calculator. Solve real-world problems like online shopping, banking, education, or booking system. You are not just using the web, you are learning how to create it. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree, you just need a computer, internet, and a bit of curiosity. Web development is also one of the most in-demand skills today. There are a lot of job opportunities, freelance projects, and remote works available around the world. Whether you want to become a front-end developer, a full-stack developer, or just build your own ideas, web development gives you endless opportunities. So if you are ready to turn your ideas into reality and build your place on the internet, you are in the right place. So this is all about this video, and if you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official. Thanks for watching, keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.